Hello YouTube, this is going to be the next part in my series of my work to my 150M, Cessna 150M, Golf Romeo Hotel Oscar. As you see, I now have a tail tie down. Not much. Yeah, let's take a look at the interior. I forgot to show you some stuff last time, and I installed some new parts. So, what I forgot to show you is the eyebrow on the dash over there, the black one. It's installed, and the glove box cover that's installed. They're held in by 3M77 glue. I don't know how long it's gonna last. It doesn't feel the strongest, but that's what's recommended in the maintenance manual and by Texas Aeroplastics to install this. So there's just some glue on a little metal panel sticking out over here and some glue on the eyebrow that's holding this plastic in. The mirror is still fully adjustable after you trim it, of course. And I had to reinstall a compass card. The glove box is also glue on two sides of a metal sheet. The fuse holder is held in by rivets as well, so the rivets go through the first panel in addition to the glue, and you have to buck the rivets. And it's a pain. Need a rivet gun, bucking bar to do it properly. But it's done, and now it's installed. We'll see how long it lasts. Now, the main thing I installed: side panels. I put these little placards on, but yeah, they're not like the original. You know, these are just labels, and they are already peeling off. I installed them about half an hour ago. Hopefully they don't peel off. But I've reprinted everything it said on the old one, basically the procedures in short, abbreviated version. Yeah, it was a bit tricky. I really had a lot of trimming to do around there. Some trimming on the side. It's not a perfect fit. I might have messed up somewhere, but I didn't have the original. I had the original top piece, but I didn't have the bottom. And this side, the other side, I didn't have any of the original left. It was all gone, probably broken up. You have to install this little trim piece here, and another tricky thing, it looks like a hinge right there, but that's actually not a hinge, it's some sort of door stop. But the door's closed, and see all the way around now, so it's pretty nice. The carpet matches up nice, it doesn't get in the way of the rudder pedals, they move freely on both sides, so it all seems to fit now. Now let's look at the other side. So the bottom is all lined up nicely. The carpet, come up. There's a nice trim indicator slot. So take a look at it. I have some, again, labels I printed. I put them in approximately the same positions where they should be based on the holes in the trim indicator. And yeah, it's some trim now. It's nice. It doesn't even come with the speaker holes pre-drilled for the not speaker hole, for the stall horn, so you actually have to drill all those little holes, however many you want, to hear the stall horn through the plastic. And again, a lot of trimming. I've trimmed a bit too much, but it fits better now. We've got same thing on this side, the hinge thingy, and I'm not sure what used to go here. Over here is a little broken screw that was sticking out from the previous time it was in there. I think it's maybe a nameplate that goes there, but yeah, something's missing over there. Should figure it out. Yeah, besides for that, most of the interior's in now. I'm leaving that blue, I'm leaving that teal green right there on the bottom. I cannot find these panels, and even if I could, they're probably $200, $300, $400 a piece Canadian by the time I bring them in. And again, they're still holding on, but they're very, very brittle. I had to remove this to install this panel, and it's really brittle. And yeah, it's still in there. Again, everything else still working nice. My side panels are holding up, back panels, carpet's holding up nice. The headliner I didn't get to cleaning yet, but I'm gonna clean it once I either get the seats in, or next time I come, I'm gonna. Somebody recommended Mr. Clean Magic Eraser just to clean off that black stuff, mold, grease, whatever it is. And then, yeah, it should be a lot nicer in here. Having a carpet installed, side panels that aren't broken and flapping around. A lot nicer. Oh, there's another plane passing by. Yeah, and we'll see. Eventually I'll get to doing the maintenance and the annual inspection. But first, I should have my seats coming in hopefully this week, maybe next week. And then I can install my new foam, my new upholstery, and it should match somewhere between the carpet and the side panel colors, because those are all supposedly tan color, so the seats are tan. We'll see what color they turn out to be, and we'll go from there. Well, anyways, it's a short update video on my Cessna 150 project. 1975 150, yeah, Golf Romeo Hotel Oscar. If you want me to make any more YouTube videos, comment below.